This is Embassy Court 2 in Tredyffrin Township, located in the active Chesterbrook community. With families, commuters, and nearby park traffic, the focus here was simple: complete a full roof replacement while keeping your everyday life uninterrupted. Across 4 buildings, our team handled nearly 300 squares of roofing. Right from the start, coordination with Associa Mid-Atlantic kept communication clear, so residents always knew what to expect as work progressed. Out on the site, everything was led by Gilberto, whose experience shows in how smoothly each phase moves. He stays hands-on, making sure the work is done right and each building is treated with care. Supporting that effort, Paolo kept the site organized, with materials placed strategically and pathways kept open for residents. As the old roofing was removed, each structure was checked and reinforced where needed, setting a solid base for the new system. From there, installation moved steadily, bringing a clean, consistent look across the entire community. Throughout the process, the Lemus Construction team prioritized resident safety, comfort, and daily routines at all times. Roofing debris was consistently cleared throughout the day. Work areas were carefully managed, and ongoing site cleanup remained a priority. Every effort was made to maintain a clean, organized environment while minimizing disruptions and preserving the natural flow of the busy community to ensure residents' daily routines are left undisturbed. From mid-March through early April, the project stayed on track and delivered as planned. This also marks another completed community in the Chesterbrook area, continuing a growing track record of trusted work with local associations. For Embassy Court 2, the result is simple: stronger protection, improved curb appeal, and a process that respected the pace of the community from start to finish.